It's you.
Talk quiet. He's asleep downstairs. How are you feeling?
Better. Fine.
Well, you don't look too fine even now. When I think of what you used to look like. With your smart suits and your fancy ties and your manicures. What have you got out of it? Except those scars on your back.
I was dead unlucky. First time I was shocked. They had me taped after that. Then I made a mistake and tried a different kind of job. I stuck to smash and grab, but I've been all right.
Maybe. Don't do that.
I've been away a long time, Rose.
You mustn't do it.
Oh, you used to love me.
You bleeding fool. Why do you think I'm doing all this for you? Because I used to love you?
Do you still then?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know anything today. After you came out the first time, when you didn't come and see me, I decided I'd forget all about you. It was just then that George asked me to marry him, and I thought, why not? He's been good to me, and I've played fair with him. Only now and then something would make me remember. And it was like when I saw your photograph in the paper this morning. I'd remember every moment we'd ever had together. Oh, Tommy.